dividing flesh, this it's murder too. I can feel that oil dripping off of Aaron's beard, and so can cover my soul like Mount Hermon's do. Moving when my unit moved by the blood, pushing through nothing we couldn't do. That divisive spirit makes us chew, like the church is allergic to. It's a commanded blessing talking about unity. This a family lesson for both you and me. I stay unified, even when it battered my flesh. Christ took a stripe while thorns sat on his head. So if we disagree, let me capture my breath. I'll be back in a sec, just gotta humble my heart. We don't gotta break the huddle apart, cause I fumbled my words, let's work it out, forgive. On with that forward march, no need to split or switch churches, that's playing with the slithering serpent. The world's supposed to know Christ from how we love each other. It's not always gonna be easy, but we can't give up on each other. That's the commanded blessing of unity. Standing together is how you fan the flame up a few degrees. Tell the dividing flesh, this it's murder too. I can feel that oil dripping off of Aaron's beard, and so can cover my soul like Mount Hermon's do. Moving when my unit moved by the blood, pushing through nothing we couldn't do. That divisive spirit makes us chew, like the church is allergic to. It's a commanded blessing talking about unity. This a family lesson for both you and me. We ain't stopped the assembly even when COVID was high. We drove in, pulled in beside my church here to ride. The coldest of nights, no one outside. Now I know this divine. When Christ was crucified, they said his bones never broke. So no matter what happens, the church never closed. And that's a punch in the face to pride that'll shatter its nose. The two became one when me and my wife agree. We stronger than Samson, so it's time to fam up and get like-minded. We got one purpose, one goal, that's Christ-minded. As one body, we untouchable. So stop factionizing with all these denominations. Let's team up and make Canada a kingdom nation. Tell the dividing flesh, this it's murder too. I can feel that oil dripping off of Aaron's beard, and so can cover my soul like Mount Hermon's do. Moving when my unit moved by the blood, pushing through nothing we couldn't do. That divisive spirit makes us chew, like the church is allergic to. It's a commanded blessing talking about unity. This a family lesson for both you